kuha na ito nga wisdom, you know, na teach them how to fish your own fish so that they will eat now and forever. So, we'll teach the people how to live, you know, how to find their own way of living, not to ask, but to work for themselves. Unang daghang tao, mura o kanigo ang piliin is spiritual material. Kaya, medyo hindi na mo na material spiritual lang. Wala ginama. Wala ginama. There is where we mura atong sandig ang atong strength. No? Because tested na eh. Until now, 74 years old na ang dinagat, ang PDMA is still strong. Nagtuan namin ikasikan na namo registration.
Sa SEC?
Yes, sa SEC. Oo. So, kung naala, this how we will begin. You know? Ang dinagat, ako is very ambitious kung nga leader. Pero, kung saan man alang-alang leader ka, imunong-naong ka, so, taas perbe. No matter what. Kung tanawin ninyo sa Facebook na ako na ano na akong future nga kuan ka na provincial capital.